Hi and welcome to Invoice Quick. In this video, we're going to go over how to create a free account, set up your company, and create an invoice. So click on sign up. Accounts are really free and there is no catch. So let's say our name's Tony Stark. Tony Stark. Our email is going to be tony@invoicequick.com, and we're going to take a password here, simple password, and click on sign up. And it's going to say you're almost done. So you just need to check your email and click on the verification link. And it'll take you to your sign-in screen. So the first thing you're going to do is set up your settings under company profile, invoice customization, as well as payment options. Now please keep in mind these options might change frequently as we're in the process of adding a lot more really cool features. So the first thing you want to do is upload a logo. So click on upload, and this is going to be the high resolution logo. It's going to be 625 by 333 pixels at a 300 dpi. That way when your customers print out an invoice, it comes out really sharp. And this one here is going to be for web usage only. So let's upload that as well. And you'll see both of your logos in here. Next, we want to add our company name. So in this case, we're going to call our company IQ Creative Services Corp. So we'll put that in there. Company address, really important because it's going to go on all of your invoices. So let's drop that in here. Country, USA. Phone number, I'm just going to put in a demo number here. Company email, this is really important, guys. So this is the reply address for all emails sent by Invoice Quick to your customers. So we want to make sure this here is right. So let's drop in an email. And in here, I'll put in our website. Click on Save Settings. You'll notice that that message went away, and now you can see your low resolution logo, your high resolution logo, as well as all of your customer information here. Now, let's go customize our invoice. We want to make sure you select your default currency, your date format. You have 3 options. Invoice title is important. Some users might change this to receipt, or if they're running estimates, they might change it to an estimate. But you can also change this on case-by-case basis. So we'll leave it invoice for now. And our start number for our invoices, let's say it's 00100. Now, once we create our first invoice, this will be the invoice number. And then after that, it'll be 00101, and it'll continue. Now, the payment terms and default notes to customers are pretty important. So, for example, if you expect your customers to pay within 30 days, that's something we want to put here. So let's drop that in. There we go. Now you can also select different payment methods and customize this on an invoice by invoice basis, but we'll get to that later on. Now the default notes to customers is really a section where you can give your customers some love, so let's do this. Cool. Now you'll notice you have 2 tax field options, so you can turn both off or you can have both on. So let's just call this state tax, and we'll call this one other tax. Cool. And customization is just going to be an invoice color. There's a lot more options to come here, and for now we'll keep this red. Click on save. Great. Now let's go to payment options. Payment options is where you can enable PayPal as well as other payment instructions, maybe banking information and so forth. So if you enable this, you want to put in instructions for your customer, such as maybe a routing number or your bank account numbers or whatever you choose. But in this case, we'll turn this off and we'll activate PayPal. So here we'll put in hello@invoicequick.com. Click on save. And you're done setting up your company. In the next video, we'll talk about how to create your first customer as well as some invoices. See you in the next video.